Hello, this is Maryam from Crochet Chilpul, and today with these two colors of yarns we're going to learn how to crochet this motif. 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors. Let's get started. To begin with your first color, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a slip stitch in the first chain to create a circle. Now make 16 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And make the rest of your double crochets as usual. When you made all your 16 stitches, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into that second chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Row 2, grab your second color and insert your hook into any of those double crochets to attach it. Grab it, pull it through, take this short tail, and then chain 1 to secure. And make a double crochet into the same stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And then add 2 more chains as your chain 2 space. Make a double crochet into the next double crochet. Chain 2 and make a double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat this process to the end of the row. And don't forget to take these short tails along with you to hide. At the end of the row, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains, and then we added 2 more chains. Make your slip stitch into that second chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, grab your first color and insert your hook into any of those chain 2 spaces. Attach your first color, take this short tail and chain 1 to secure. And make a double crochet into the same space, which is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make another double crochet into the same space, chain 2, 1 and 2. Make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 1, 2 and make another single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make another single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and make another single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Make another 2 double crochets into this same space. Chain 2. Make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2. Make another single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make another single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Here's the first one and here's the second one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 more double crochets into the same space. 1 and 2. Chain 2. Make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make another single crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make another single crochet into the next space. Chain 2, 1, 2. And make 2 double crochets into the last chain 2 space. Here's the first one and here's the second one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into that second chain, and I want to make the next row with the same color. Row 4, I want to continue with the same color, so make a slip stitch into the next double crochet like this. Make another slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. Make a single crochet into the same space. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space between our 2 single crochets. Chain 2, make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Chain 2, make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Chain 2. Now we reached our chain 3 space between the group of 2 double crochets. Make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 more double crochets into the same space. 1 and 2. Chain 2, 1, 2, make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Chain 2, make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space right here. Chain 2, chain 2, 1, 2, make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. chain 2, and into this chain 3 space, 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, then chain 2 and repeat this process to the end of the row until you finish the row. So make a single crochet into every chain 2 space, then chain 2, and when you reach your chain 3 space, make 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 more double crochets. At the end of the row, after you made your last double crochet, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is the end of row 4. Row 5, grab your second color and attach it into any of those chain 3 spaces on the edge. So insert your hook, take your second color, pull it through, take this short tail and chain 1 to secure. And then make 3 double crochets into the same space. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. This is the first one, and this is the second double crochet, and the third one. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Here's the first one and the second one. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space, chain 1, make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2, chain 1 and make 2 double crochets into our last chain 2 space before our chain 3 space. Chain 1 and we reach the chain 3 space between the group of 2 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into this chain 3 space. Here's the first double crochet, second one, the third one, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochets into every chain 2 space, chain 1 and make 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space, and repeat until you reach your chain 3 space. Make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the last chain 3 space, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet, which is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into that second chain, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And I'll be back when I hit all the tails at the back of my project. I hit all the tails and this is the final result. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, and write your comments down below. See you next tutorials. Bye!